KuvePitti Duddali, Arrowroot powder Halwa. This is a nutritious sweet and good for kids as it is easily digestible. Because of its cooling effect, it's advisable to consume this during summer and also good for the tummy. It's fairly easy to prepare. You can also refer to the KKAJ blog post by my friend and co-author Asha Radhakrishna Shinai, given in the description below. So, to start with, here is nearly 1 cup of arrowroot powder I'm adding to a bowl. Now add about 8 cups of water. With a ladle, mix thoroughly, checking that there are no lumps and the powder has completely mixed with the water. Cover and leave aside for about half an hour or more. Now you can see that the water is clear and the powder has settled down. Drain out this water and add the settled powder to a thick bottomed pan or kadai. Now add 1 cup of milk and the same measure of sugar. Now add 3 cups of water and mix well. The powder tends to stick to the bottom, so see that you have mixed well from the bottom of the pan and without any lumps. Now switch on the gas and stir the mixture continuously. It starts to thicken quickly. So make sure to scrape from the bottom and the sides continuously so that it does not catch the pan's bottom nor forms any lumps. When it has reasonably thickened like this, switch off flame and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Also keep a greased plate ready to pour the halwa. Now switch on flame and start stirring. It starts to thicken more and more. Now you can see it starts to stick to the sides as a solid. Now this will be ready soon. So keep stirring.
Michaela and Prayatani Timulari, Angelna, Pidike, Angele, Kana, Javana, Saka, Polka, Tani Korka, Alalsana, prayer Tantine. Tavali, Tumba, Sartanke Paunga, Mulane, Miguel Vinunti. Videos like, correct, share, correct, and subscribe, correct.
To check for doneness, drop a little of the mixture on a banana leaf or plate. Wait for a few seconds and touch with your finger. If it does not stick, then it's done. Now pour this onto the greased plate. This took me about 35 minutes while I kept adjusting flame from high to low and back to high, and without ever stopping the stirring. You can eat this as such or garnish with coarsely ground cashew nuts and cardamom. Or use some saffron strands or some almond slivers. Cut into desired shapes when it has cooled completely. Enjoy this with your family and friends. You can also make this with jaggery and coconut milk to avoid sugar. Do try out and let me know.